Name rice. Scientific name dash Oryza sativa, Asia, Oryza glaberrima, Africa. Type of soil, fertile alluvial soil. Soil textures, silt clay loam and clay. Major production states, West Bengal, 14.68 million tons. Requirements, high temperature, humidity and rainfall. Rice is a major food crop in the world. India is one of the world's largest producers and exporter of rice. In India, it is mostly grown in the eastern and southern parts of the country. It is the agricultural commodity with the third highest worldwide production after sugarcane and match. The production of rice in 2014 is 741.5 million tons. It is mostly consumed in Asia and Africa. In India, the major production are in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Odisha followed by Andhra Pradesh. Name wheat. Scientific name dash Triticum. Type of soil, well-drained, loamy soil. Soil textures, clay loam and loam texture. Major production states, Uttar Pradesh. Requirements, 1. Moderate temperature and rainfall during growing. 2. Bright sunshine at the time of harvest. In India, wheat is grown in winter. Most of the northern part of India grows wheat. Major production of wheat in India are in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi. Punjab is known as wheat ball of India. Indian wheat is largely a medium protein, white bread wheat, somewhat similar to US hard white wheat. Wheat grown in central and western India is typically hard, with high protein and high gluten content. Name match. Scientific name Z. maize. Type of soil, well-drained fertile soil. Soil textures, loamy sand to clay loam. Major production states, Karnataka. Requirements, 1. Moderate temperature, rainfall. 2. And lots of sunshine. Madge is also known as corn. Various colorful varieties of madge are found across the world. India produced 27.8 million tons of madge in 2018. In India, madge is the third most important food crops after rice and wheat. Madge is also used in making ethanol and other biofuels. The major madge production states in India are Karnataka, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Southeast Asia is the biggest market for Indian madge, with almost 80% of exported Indian madge to Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia. Name millets. Scientific name dash Pennisetum glaucum. Type of soil, less fertile and sandy soils. Soil textures, clay loam or loam texture. Major production states, Rajasthan. Requirements, 1. High to moderate temperature. 2. An adequate rainfall. India is the largest producer of pearl millet, 10.6 million tons. The first hybrid of pearl millet developed in India in 1965 is called the HB1. In India, the alcohol beverages are produced from millets. Millet is also the base ingredient for the distilled liquor. Kambu is the Tamil name of pearl millet and is an important food across the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Name cotton. Scientific name dash Gossypium. Type of soil, black and alluvial soil. Soil textures, sandy loam soil. Major production states, Gujarat. Requirements, 1. High temperature. 2. Light rainfall. 3. 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine. India is the largest producer of cotton in the world. It is one of the main raw materials for the cotton textile industry. Cotton is a soft, fluffy staple fiber that grows in a bowl or protective case around the seeds of the cotton plants. Cotton is used for cover the bleeding part of a person, bath towel, denims for pants, etc. Name jute. Scientific name Corchorus olitories. Type of soil plain alluvial soil. Soil textures sand loam to clay loam. Major production states West Bengal. Requirements 1. High temperature, 2. Heavy rainfall and 3. Humid climate. Jute was also known as the golden fiber. Jute grows in the tropical areas. India is the largest producer of jute in the world, 1.968 million tons. It is the second most important vegetable fiber after cotton. It is the cheapest vegetable fiber procured from the bast or skin of the plant's stem. Name coffee. Scientific name coffee. Type of soil fertile soil. Soil textures well-drained loamy soil. Major production states Karnataka 5,822 tons. Requirements warm and wet climate. Hill slopes are more suitable for growth of this crop. Coffee is a brew drink prepared from roasted coffee beans, the seeds of berries from certain coffee species. The tree of coffee Arabica will grow fruits after 3 to 5 years, producing for an average of 50 to 60 years, although UP to 100 is possible. The white flowers are highly scented. The fruit takes about 9 months to ripen.